I'll give you my everything. It's not much, but it's all I have.
You know we could run to a place where we belong, but I need you there with me to go on. Sometimes I can't see, but it feels like you're the one who saves me.
Hi guys, welcome back to the second part of my Zara sale haul. If you haven't seen the first one, I will link it just below, but I think this one is my fave. So I'm just gonna get straight into it and show you what I picked up because it's so good. First up, I have this cute little, I think it's a dress, or it could be a playsuit. No, it's a dress. It's very like, is it the 70s or 80s kind of vibe with the pattern and stuff? It's very ABBA kind of vibes. But I thought with the right like accessories, this would look super, super cute. So this is the dress on. I love it. I don't know if you've noticed, but I've really tried to like inject a lot more colour into my wardrobe. I've just paired it with some gold flippy flops, my Illyria bag and some gold hoops. It reminds me very much of an Emilio Pucci print and I love that designer, so all for that. You can see the print really well up close, like it's so vibrant. I love the crisscross finish of it as well, and this little tie detailing means that you can pinch it in to really suit your body. I love the black and gold with it as well. I think it picks out the black and the yellow in it really nicely. Hoops, it's kind of so untwacky that it works, if that makes sense. It's not something that I usually go for, but I love it. It's kind of one of them things that you'd think would not work, but it really, really does. So next up I have this cute little tee. I love the puffy sleeves on it. I thought they were gorgeous. With a high-waisted skirt or shorts, I thought this would look fabulous, and I actually got to go with it this, or just in general, this little scarf. I loved how vibrant this was. You can put it in your hair. Ties and hair at the moment is so in, and I really, really, really love that look. Like a pair of shades and a hair tie in your hair. It's just such a beautiful look. Or on your handbag. I love that style too. I think that's really nice. So let me try this on for you. So this is the white top on. I've just paired it with some high-waisted black shorts, done my belt trick around the middle, tied it in a knot, espadrille wedges again, and a tote. And to finish off the look, I just got my Ray-Bans. I love the scarf in the hair. I think it just adds a little bit of fun. I love the like kind of vibe that it gives out. Really good for like putting in a top knot or on your bag. So many different ways that you could wear this scarf. So definitely stock up on your scarves this summer. This is it a little closer. I love how it just finishes above the waistline. Really nice puffy sleeves as well. Something a little bit different. I don't know if you can see. I'm probably really messy now. This is the scarf detailing in the hair. But as I said, you can wear it so many different ways. It just adds that like proper vibrant colour to it. Next up we have this cute little satiny shirt number. I loved the deep orangey red colours. Just clashing colours are really my thing at the moment. I keep picking them out, but just how beautiful it is, the style of this, like the drapage on it. Let me try it on for you because I don't think it does it any justice, me just holding it. So this is the shirt on. I love the way it drapes. I probably could do with a bralette on or some tit tape or something like that, but I do love it. I love the colour. Just paired it with some white denim shorts and this basket bag. You know how I love this basket bag. You could wear this type of thing all the way through till autumn. Like it's got those autumnal colours in, so perfect like investment piece because you could wear it all year round. I just paired it with some shorts because it is super hot in England. Some little court heels which are super cute. They're like got a tiny heel, and this bamboo basket bag. I think it's gone out of stock again, but they keep restocking, so keep an eye out. And just some fabulous gold earrings, all about those big earrings at the moment, and just a really cute outfit. So this is the shirt a little closer. You can see it's got like a tie here, a button and a tie here, so it is really secure, but I would just tap it down with some tit tape as well. And you could put cami underneath it. Loads of different options if you're worried about how low it is. You can see the print really well up close here, and the gold earrings just set it off really, really nicely. It would lend itself to having loads of stacked jewelry here as well. Next up we have this one. You would have seen it. I wore it in my ASOS haul. It's like the sit down bit, but I wanted to try it on for you and style it up. But I love the tropical vibes with this. Big gold earrings, probably this bamboo bag in the background. I just thought that was a really nice style as well. So like really nice and flattering, really easy to wear, like loose fitting, not too hot and sticky. So perfect for the hot weather, which we are still having in England, which is fabulous. But yeah, let me try this on. So this is the top on. I just paired it with some white jeans, which you would have seen in my Primark haul. haul the other day. I love Primark jeans, they're so comfortable. This brown bag from River Island, which goes perfectly with the shoes. I just love this look. It's very like tropical jungle kind of vibes. I think the gold earrings go really well with it. I always try and entwine a colour in the accessories because I think that works really nicely, and of course the big gold earrings to go with it. So this is it a little closer. I love the fit of it. It pinches you in just the right place, just below the bust, and then you have this little bow detailing here, and it just really comfortable, airy, and this bag goes perfectly with it. I just love the vibes, and yeah, perfect little summer outfit. Next up I have a shirt. Now a lot of you asked me to do like workwear hauls, summer workwear, stuff like that, which I am planning on doing very soon. So I got this shirt and I just thought this was beautiful, the type of thing that you could wear with black trousers in work with some court heels. Thought that was just gorgeous. It has these like flood sleeves, something really different to the office but really stylish at the same time. This embroidery though is just so beautiful. I don't even think it does it justice off camera. Like, it's a really good quality thick material there as well, so loving this. Love the frills, love the like, it would be nice with like a black lace bralette underneath just poking out the top, getting those sexy vibes in work. Always got to think about this. So this is the shirt on. It came up a little bit big, so I just did the off the shoulder thing, trick that I always do, and like brought it in at the waist. I love doing this with oversized shirts, and actually it was all over the catwalks back whenever SS18 was like the asymmetrical shirt. It was literally on so many different shows. And then I've just got the little tote and some black shoes and the court heels again, kind of like a smart wear look. This is definitely something that I'd wear to a meeting. So next up I have a cute little top. Now I just adored this. I thought it was very like a mix of styles, and I love contrasting things. So we have like a little sporty little tie around the neck, and then it goes into, I want to say broderie fabric, don't quote me on that, that may be wrong, but it's like this little holy fabric. And then it's got a cute little skirt at the same time. You could pair this with like jeans and like trainers, just pair it down, or you could like wear it with a pair of heels and it'll look fabulous. One of them really diverse tops that you could wear. So this is the top on. I've just paired it with some black jeans and some court heels. Definitely more of like a smart like office wear kind of look. I've just paired the red bag with this red colour here. I do that a lot. It's a really good styling tip, like when you're looking for accessories to pair with stuff, like try and pick out colours that so it's something like entwines the whole look together. So I thought this red bag went perfectly. I have a pair of cat eye sunglasses on my head as well, and yeah, just I really like how it pinches you in the right place as well around your waist. Next up I have the top that I actually wore in the last video. I had it on with a big pair of gold earrings. It's just this one. It is actually part of a co-ord set, which I super love. If it's still online, I will put it here for you, but it wasn't in my size. I just adored that skirt. Really wanted to get the two. I might see if I can find something similar somewhere else, but this is the top on its own. I just really like the colors of it, like this beautiful material with the brown like strap. I thought with gold earrings, brown bag, it would look really beautiful. So this is the top on. I've just paired it with a skirt. This skirt I keep pairing with everything. It's come in so handy. I think it was from Misguided or Boohoo, so super cheap, but just one of those things I keep on turning to like pair tops with and stuff. Again, there's staples coming in all the time. The espadrille wedges, the Illyria Chanel dupe, and my straw hat, this skirt. This style of top with like the high neck and the collarbones poking out is just something that I keep on warming to a lot. I just paired it with hoop earrings as well. Really like this look. I think I will be wearing this out probably tomorrow. So this is the look a little closer. You can see the bag a little better here. I love the gold detailing. I think it works really nicely with the pattern at the top. Just got some hoops in. I'm so glad hoops are back in fashion because you gotta love a big hoop, and the fedora as well. I just love everything about it, and like the back as well, super sexy. Next up we have this really unusual skirt. I love firstly this drawstring thing, which you can pull it in to create this like really beautiful design kind of feel to it, and then it is actually we've got a bit of pinstripe, got my pinstripe in, and then this black overlay, so something really unusual. But I thought with like a black body, like the plainest top with a skirt like this would just look stunning. I love things that are different, and this definitely ticked that box for me. So this is a bit of a change of a look for me. I've gone for very sporty kind of vibes. I have my Nike courts on, my go-to shoe when I want like a comfy shoe that's so comfortable. The Nike courts fly knit in white. I have my actual gym top on, which you guys, if you see my Insta stories, this is the top that I always work out in, and I have them in different colours too. Love the, it's from Puma. And then this skirt as well. I just thought it was like very sporty kind of vibes. I have a pair of big aviators to finish off the look, and then this bag is Ralph Lauren big toe. I actually usually whack all my gym stuff in there, but I really like this kind of like sport looks kind of vibe. This is the skirt a little closer. You can see the drawstring detailing here. I love the way it's like not digging in. It's a really flattering look. Let me jib this bag off so you can see it a little bit better. I love the double layering of it. It's such a quirky, beautiful design. And then this is my Puma top. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed all my Zara sale hauls. If you want to see anything particular, just write in the comments, let me know, and I will try and do the video for you. And if you are new here, please press subscribe. I do vlogs, I do fashion, I do beauty, and a little bit of fitness, which is coming away very, very soon. So yeah, I will see you soon for another video. Bye.
I try to figure out who I am. Not sure what I'm doing here, and the days don't work out the way I